Okay, so I'm just gonna open this. One take, no edits. Target bag. Target. Awesome store. iPod Touch. 32 gigabyte, third generation. I'm like pretending to Trump. But first, you take this little sticker thing off. Ah, sexy. Sexy. Okay, now that that's out of the way, you just, yeah, that's really sexy right there. Wow. Wow. It's open. So this comes up. It does come up like that, doesn't it? I don't want to take that off right now. Oh, okay. I'm failing hard. Well, how about I just take that off, like the whole piece? You just bend it. I'll bend it later. Yeah. Designed by Apple in California. Here's the back. Sides. Yeah. Open it. Beautiful. Like a little book. Woo. There's the headphone, whatever, earbuds, which I can take out. Comes with the mic and remote. The little booklet. Booklet, yeah. Booklet. The charger. And the docking piece thingy. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, no, I did not just lick that. Now let me just put it all back exactly the way I found it because I'm that OCD. Nah. The little booklet. Ah. And the earbuds that were not. Ah. Okay, like that. It's all perfectly back the way it was. Close. Nah, it wasn't like that. Whatever. Now I'm gonna bend the thingy. I mean, nah, it wasn't like that. That's lame. Okay. The actual device. It's the device. It's so gorgeous. Okay. Bend it. This is so, I'm making this way harder than it is. I know that. I would do that. That's something I would do. It makes me take this sticker off, doesn't it? So sexy. I'm removing the sticker. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Take me off the sticker. It smells like sex. Now that that's taken off, now I really do just, oh my gosh, it's so pure and just gorgeous. Oh, I'm afraid to touch it anymore. Wow, the back is so perfect. I haven't seen an iPod like this in like 2 years. A perfect back on an iPod. That's something you never see. Like totally showing you everything. Ah, it's so, look at it. So gorgeous. Ah, so gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to gently and carefully try to place it back in there. Oh, okay. Now it's back. Yeah. And that's the end of this. Bye!